Good morning, guys. Today we're going to learn about what surrounds Earth in our social studies. Okay? We want to know what there is around our planet Earth. Does anybody know what is around planet Earth? Very good. Okay? So, we all live on planet Earth, but where is planet Earth? Where can you find the planet Earth? In space, okay? Space is around the world and space surrounds the Earth. What is around planet Earth? Space. Now, let's find out what is there in space. Let's look at this picture so we have an idea of what is there in space. Okay, who can spot where planet Earth is in this picture? Remember, we said planet Earth has land and water in it. So planet Earth has land and water with green and blue colors on our planet Earth. Perfect. This is planet Earth. Now, what do you see around planet Earth? Yeah. Can you see all of these things around planet Earth? Good. So this is what we will find in space. We will find different planets in space. In total, we have 8 planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planets. And we live on planet Earth. Where do we live on? Planet Earth. And planet Earth is in space. Okay? So, what else is around planet Earth? Yes, the moon. Can you all see the moon? This is the moon that lives in space. It is around planet Earth in space. What else do we find in space? The sun. The sun is in space. The big ball of fire, which is the sun that's in space. What else is there in space? We learned that planets, moon, the sun, and stars. Can you see all the stars? There are many stars in space. There are big stars and small stars in space. And this is what we find around our planet Earth. Let's look at the sun. The sun is a big ball of fire, and the sun gives us light during the day. All the planets go around the sun, and that's how we get light on planet Earth. We get our light from the sun, and this is what the sun looks like. The sun is a big ball of fire. We also learned about the moon. This is what the moon looks like. The moon is a big ball of rock. And the holes that you see in the moon are called craters. Look at these holes. They are called craters. Can you see that the moon is a big rock? Yes, the moon gets its glow and its light from the sun. And we are able to see the moonlight at night. Do you guys know what is this? What is this? This is an astronaut. Do you know what an astronaut does? An astronaut is a person that travels to space. What do we call a person that travels to space? An astronaut. Say it with me. An astronaut. So astronauts travel up in space. Do you know what they use to travel to space? Yes, they use a rocket ship to travel to space. Okay, can I use a car to go up into space? No, space is very, very far away. It is out of this earth. So I need a special transport to go up to space. And astronauts use rocket ships to go up to space. So let's open to our books on page 140. Good. What did we learn about that is in space and around our Earth? Yes, the sun is in space. The sun is a big ball of fire and it glows during the day. Where do we get our light from during the day? We get it from the sun. We also learned that the moon and stars are in space too, right? They surround planet Earth also. The moon and stars, they glow at night. They shine at night. The sun, moon, and stars are very far away from Earth, and we will find all of these in space, isn't it? The planet Earth also lives in space. The sun is in space, the moon is in space, and the stars are also found in space. Now, we have our space over here, but we have to stick what is there in space. So what did we learn about that we can find in space? The sun, isn't it? The big, big sun is in space. So I am going to stick my sun. I am going to stick my sun in space. Good. What else do we find in space? The moon and the stars. So let's put our moon and stars in space. Good. What else is there in space? Where did we say our planet Earth lives? In space. So I'm going to put planet Earth in space. Perfect. Anybody else knows what else is there in space? Yes, we said there are many other planets in space. So I have stick my pictures in my space. Now you are going to draw your pictures, color them, and then you are going to cut and stick them to show what is there in space. Now let's look at this page. I want you to do this page as homework. Okay? So you have to look at the pictures and you will match them to the words. What is this? A star. So you have to look for the word star. Let's see. Star. So we are going to match it to the star. There we go. Now you are going to do it with the rest of the pictures. Okay, we've did number one together. You're going to look at the picture and you're going to match it to the word. So what is picture number one? We said it's a star and we matched it to the word. You are going to do this to the rest of the pictures. Thank you.